If you're an HVAC professional with 5 years of industry experience and you're looking to earn more, have more security, and to work on larger, more technical equipment, essentially if you want to grow in your career, we invite you to enroll in the Steamfitters 601 Advanced Service Training Program. In this program, we'll create customized training to improve your current skill set. We'll work with you to set goals, get you trained, and help you earn valuable certifications. Along the way, we'll place you in a job working with and being mentored by the masters in our craft. You'll enjoy the security that union membership provides. Within 3 years, you can expect a 6-figure salary, and you'll have the ability to retire with healthcare benefits and a great pension. Hi, I'm Doug Edwards, Business Manager of Steamfitters Local 601. Let's talk about how we can create a better future for you and your family.